Hi everyone, today I'm going to work on some kicks, some martial arts kicks that you can add to your workout, and this is really a technique-driven video to teach the basics. I'm going to start out with a roundhouse kick or a lead leg roundhouse kick, and we'll start out in a horse stance, right? In a horse stance I have my heels under my knees, my feet turned out around 45 degrees, and the first part of kicking is stepping into the kick. Okay, so what I want to do is, if I'm going to kick to this side here, I'm going to be looking here obviously because that's where my target is. I want to step in with this back foot and turn my hips towards the kick. Okay, notice that this foot turns out as I do that, and I'm not sliding this foot in because that slows me down, first of all. It also puts a lot of pressure on my knee if I continuously slide like that. So as I come in, I'm almost going to stomp down with one foot to help me pick up the other foot. Okay? And I don't want to step in front, because if I step in front here, my knees are now caught and I can catch my foot on my ankle, that kicking foot. So here I am in my horse stance. I'm looking in this direction and my arms are out here in this direction. They're relaxed. There's none of this tight fist, clenching fist stuff. That works really well for stuntmen in film and TV because it looks really good, but you don't want to do that in real life. You can't move really quickly, and you need to be relaxed to find your balance. Okay, so here I am looking at my target, pointing at my target with both hands, relaxed. I'm side on to my target, toes out, down this horse stance. Now this is a great workout by itself. Okay, but I'm going to step in, pivot, and the next part of that is my chamber. Notice how this foot that I've stepped in is facing away from my target, almost 180 degrees away. As I pick up my leg here, this is called the chamber, I'm going to bring my knee behind me. My shin is parallel, so from this angle here, I'm pointing my knee at my target. And I'm crunching upwards so I can still see my target. I don't want to lie down here, I can't see you, my shoulder gets in the way. Okay, so I'm going to step in, pick up my knee, point my knee at my target, pointing my toes like a ballerina, extend the leg, and now the leg is straight out. Again, it hasn't come forward here at an angle, it's straight out. I'll bring that heel back to my bum, put it down, and then step back out. Okay? I could then go to the other side or repeat this side, but let's just repeat this side for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do that again. We'll go 1, pivot your bum, don't forget to turn this heel, these toes pointed out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to try to smooth that out, so I can do a drill with this. But I don't want to work faster than my technique allows me to. If my technique is sloppy, I could injure myself. When I'm throwing this kick out, I'm not locking or hyperextending my knee. I'm keeping a tiny bend in my knee and bouncing that leg back using my hamstrings to pull back. Okay, so here I am, look at my direction, pointing at my target. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Step, chamber, kick, chamber, step, down. Now we always want to chamber after the kick as well. If you don't chamber after the kick, if I leave my leg out here after the kick, I have to fall this way, and of course I fall into a counterattack. So I want to step, kick, chamber, back. Kick, chamber, back. So from this angle, out and back, chamber, kick. Each time my heel is touching my butt. Okay? And then I want to be able to develop this technique so that I can do this kick multiple times. So here I am, my ready stance, step, 1, 2, put it down. Step in, 1, 2, put it down. Step in, 1, 2, put it down. 1, 2, 3. Put it down. I should be able to step in, pick it up, and kick as many times as I want. If my technique is good, I should be able to do that with any kick. And then put it down, not drop it down. Same thing obviously goes for the other side. Step, kick, chamber, back down. And you want to practice both sides equally. Don't be stuck on just doing your dominant leg kicks. Work your weak side as well, because this is really important, particularly if you're using this for exercise. Then you don't want to develop more strength, more balance on one side than the other, okay? So there is the roundhouse kick, lead leg roundhouse kick, and come back for more. I'll see you soon.